Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this picture, you can see the flowers and all looking very beautiful. From window you can see outside the beautiful view. And the small plants are there in the room. This is also very beautiful. You can see the upper lights. The side lamp, you can see beautiful lamp. This is also very beautiful. You can see the white color bed, white color wall, and the curtain and all very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can keep your things and all, and laptop for studying, for teaching and all very beautiful. Very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the black color, white color wall, and the black color lamp, big lamp, and then down you can see the decoration, beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the bed, and the up you can see the lamp, and the side you can see wall, beautiful. The window also very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the lamp, and everything looking very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the small plants and the cupboard and all very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the cupboard and the up you can see plant or what. Beautiful decoration. VIP room. This is also very beautiful. You can see the lamp, beautiful lamp. This is also very nice. You can see the lamp, lights, and this light also very beautiful. The decoration silver color, gray color. It's also very beautiful. You can see the two lamps and the side flowers and the clock you can see, and the black color lamps, and this is the on the wall you can see pure drawing. This is also good. You can see the up. Maybe nothing. I don't know what is that. You can see the wall very beautiful. Decoration and idea they did. This is also very beautiful. You can see the window outside, a small plants and all beautiful. This also you can see the lamp, beautiful, the decoration and all very beautiful. This also you can see the candles down, very beautiful candles. This is also very beautiful. It is a normal. It's also very beautiful. You can keep your clothes and all very beautiful things. So I hope you like this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and families and all. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Wait for the next video. Love you.